Good morning everyone. My name is Jean Amrita. I am studying in 7th Apple at KB School. Now I am presenting about adjectives. Adjective is a word that describes noun or pronoun. Adjective. How something looks. Pretty, beautiful. Adjective. How something smells. Fresh, strong. Adjective tells how many. 1, 2. Adjective tells size. Tall, short. Adjective tells how something feels. Fresh, smooth, salt. Adjective tells color. Pink, yellow. For example, the tall boy plays with a red ball and felt happy. Tall, red, happy are adjectives. Thank you.